how to apply for Bank of America credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Bank of America credit card online. For that, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type bankofamerica.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Bank of America credit card. Once you reach to this page, here in the top, you will find credit card option. Click on this credit cards, and under it, you will find different types of credit card. Here you may click on this cashback credit cards, and then you will be presented with various credit cards. Here browse through the available credit card options and select the one that suits your need. Once you find the one you'd like to apply, click on the apply button at the bottom of the selected credit card, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here you can scroll down and review all the information given here, and then at the bottom you will find the application. You need to fill up this application with the required personal, financial and contact information, and then you need to submit the form. Let's start filling up this form. Enter your first name, middle name if you have one, your last name, and also in the fourth box you can enter the suffix if you have one. Then in the next box you need to enter your residential address. Here enter your city, state, zip code, and if you want your statement to be sent to the different address, then you may click on this box right here and add the second address. If not, you can remove the tick mark from here and fill up another details. In this field you need to enter your phone number, and at the bottom you need to choose whether you have entered your mobile number or the home phone. Once you have chosen one, and at the very bottom you will need to enter your email address. After filling the form, review your application form and then click on this continue button at the bottom to submit it. The bank will then process your application and may contact you for further verification if needed. And once your application is approved, you will be notified and the credit card will be dispatched to your registered address. So by following these steps, you should be able to apply for Bank of America credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.